this registration that they are talking about, I have it earlier before now. I have registration. I have registered even before Soludo's law came out. I have registered. I have the license. Earlier last year, I have gotten my license. Even federal license, I have it. I have my ID card, but I cannot place all those things. No. When it's needful, I will bring it out and show. A lot of people have been telling me, go and get your license, go and do this, go and... The one I know is that anything on Ibem, I will join them and do it. If there is a new license, I will still get. But I've contacted them. They said that that same one that I get that time is the same one they are using. All I need to do is to keep my fully documentary, put my details for the new the new verification. That's all. If I'm bad egg, the community that I'm in, they know they carry last now. We know they support evil. Why am I oh, if I was come out and some bad eggs, Mama said on dojo, but a China and maybe. Why am I in high school? When I was in Nnewi high school, Nnewi that time Bakasi Batalman knew that Bakasi knew we better. Mechanama Manko. Nnewi know they carry last. Anybody on our target and knows Luch, anybody that committed any crime. Everybody here, Apote Mass, will mention natural. Even just everybody will turn their machine and be chasing that person till they get that person. They know they carry last. So, and even up till now, they know they support if they never hide any evil. So, if you ever see another community whether at their state, their community, you ever say commit evil. And then we go there, and they do actually, and they do the very, very powerful. If you don't know it, know it now. The gods of Nnewi land know they keep evil, especially this particular community that I am in, Amereba community. This Otolo Amereba know they keep evil. If you are an evil person, he must expose you. The gods of the land must expose you. So, what they going to make get exposed. But to the extent that the community, like a award, showing that yes, they have seen good in me. The time I came in new here, many of them was looking at me, they don't know my mission. But hopefully, and thanks to the God and the goddess, that they later realized that this is my mission. And they have confirmed my mission, that I came for good, not for bad. And since I've been with them for more than so many years now, they have come. They know my history full time. Because how am I going to go on nowhere? How am I going to go on nowhere? My mother, my mother born on the teaching system nowhere. Born on. I'm my father born on na area command in nowhere. I'm going to get now one born when I was growing. I'm going to go to mother primary school. Going to go high school. My grace is with the money call my colleagues with the when I miss all our name Musu Bumba. Malakas will be there. Malaka, my everything, my the data page, I can say all people, no cabana, the data page in Kayan Nnewi knows me 100% more than Oka, more than my people from my town, from my hometown. Nnewi knows my full history. As you're watching me now, Nnewi know my full history more than Oka people. So you cannot come to be planning to plant evil for me. If you are trying to plant evil for me, I have surrounded camera in my house right from last year, even along my streets. Camera. So, Monachimuso, one of they can have 4 sites before it happens. During the time when they see street lights in the street, I surrounded camera with everywhere. Even inside my company, everywhere was surrounded with cameras. In Abatone, no record. Both my sound and everything, even right in my office. So you cannot claim anything against me. I have a lot of evidence. You cannot claim that criminals come into my house or social person coming in because I have proof. I will bring out my camera, you tell me the date, I'll switch it on, everybody will see. Even the million natural camera all on live video. If you can find out the truth now, any native doctor will not have a live video 24 hours near your name or the genuine. Apart from Mmuo, any native doctor will not make a live video steady. In any of his things, that person is genuine. Do you know the reason why? Live video, if there is any error, it will go on. Any mistake will go. It's not editable. I don't know if you get my point. So the reason is because I'm open. So now I'm not afraid of anybody while on whether I can do it. Also, Sonyaki Adorocha Biga Bolute or name on a tojo. Oyaki Adocha Manjeto Ojo. So no cockroach in my carbon. Ngwalo ni yendo ka neme. Abodi yembe ku. So mana yencho ka ngu no kita o. This law patalon, I like it somehow. You like it somehow. The good idea on it, I love it so much. Because okay, reduce all these fake native doctors and including fake miracles and I'm gonna come and the baby because all I want to do call the pastors and handle the baby and hall. My own work is different because I am the only person that choose to serve the marine with all my strength without any impetus. If you come to my house, without you see me on video, see my dada, you will hardly know that I'm a native doctor. You hardly know that I decided born I'm a native doctor. But if I tell you that I'm not a native, you can never know. Someone being decided I'm an alone. Even Chi himself my recognition person that they carved for me. I am not even feeding my chi through that image carved. I feed my chi with ogirisi leaf. Right in the compound. I will just bring it out. You people normally see it. If I want to feed my chi, I will just bring that particular law for staff authority given to me, prepared for me by my mother's side, my maternal home. I'll bring it out. That's the only stuff that I used to pour the blood of animals that I kill on top. You can never see me no. If you go the river that I normally used to walk, it will be very clean. You can never see I job on natural for Chajama to go salt. I normally clean all the water that I normally go. Some million can they use Nabema, which is a million since I watch video. Since in no side that I'll be using those I consult to go million. Mona has to be 1 million chokahan yellow marker. Combine yaha, why I been chokahano, never come on in yan. It's for a million web you. I said a million cool web you one now. Means to be 1 million cool. It means to be our river Niger. But I have consulted the water to come and stay with me here, join with a cool river. Since more than 3 years now, I have not visited the river Niger. And I'm doing my work perfect. The river Niger is answering me if I call her. Hey, back and say, Dr. Mmiri, you, I'm from River Niger. You told them, no, do you understand? So, call right and call wrong. Never you be such a person that will come on social media and be talking around